Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to add images to your WordPress blog posts and pages. In this guide, the process is broken down into simple actions that can be completed in a short period, making it easy for anyone to follow along and enhance their website with engaging visuals. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to WordPress. As you arrive on the WordPress site, look to the top right corner of the screen where you will see an option to log in. Clicking on the login option will lead you to the authentication area where you can gain access to your account. Once you have clicked on login, you will notice an option labeled Continue with Google. This streamlined login option makes it easier to access your account by using your existing Google credentials. After you click on Continue with Google, you will be presented with a list of your Google accounts. Choose the account that you wish to use with WordPress so you can proceed securely. After you select your desired Google account, you will be directed to the WordPress dashboard. From here, locate the Quick Links section, which is designed to help you navigate to important areas of the site quickly. Within this section, you will find an option that says Edit Site. Clicking on Edit Site allows you to enter the website editor. This editor is where you can make changes and updates to your website's appearance and content. Once you are in the site editor environment, identify the specific website you wish to work on by clicking on it. This action initiates the editing mode for that particular website. In the editing interface, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. Here, you should see a plus icon. The plus icon is a gateway to adding new content elements to your page. When you click this icon, a block inserter will appear, offering you a variety of options to add different kinds of content. With the block inserter open, your next task is to insert an image into your post or page. To do this, type the word image into the search field provided within the block inserter. The system will filter the available options to display blocks that are specifically related to images. This simple typing action helps you quickly narrow down to the image block, which is the tool you need to add visual content. When you find the image block in the list of options, click on it to add it to your page. After inserting the image block, an upload button will appear on the screen. This upload button is your means to include your desired image. Click on the upload button and you will be able to browse your computer files to select the image you want to add. Once you locate and choose your image, it will be uploaded into your post or page, ready to display on your website. By following these steps, you have now successfully added an image to your WordPress blog post or page. Every action is designed to be clear and intuitive so that even users with limited technical knowledge can update their website with ease. Enhancing your blog with images not only makes your content visually appealing, but also helps in engaging your audience more effectively. Enjoy the process of making your website more vibrant and interactive, and take pride in the polished look of your newly updated posts and pages.